Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Disney Plus subscription easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Disney Plus subscription, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Disney Plus website. If you are not already logged in, click on the login button. Enter your email and password, then click login again. Once logged in, move your cursor to the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select account from the options displayed. In the account section, look for the subscription area. Click on billing details to view your current subscription information. Find the option that says cancel subscription. Click on cancel subscription to proceed. You may be prompted with some questions about your cancellation. Answer those questions as required. Once you finish the questions, you will see a confirmation page. Review the cancellation details carefully. If you are sure you want to proceed, click on the Confirm Cancellation button. You should receive a confirmation email outlining your cancellation. Your Disney Plus subscription will remain active until the end of the billing cycle. At that point, you will no longer have access to the service. Make sure to check your email for any updates regarding your status. And that's it, you've successfully canceled your Disney Plus subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.